How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the best stocks and penny stocks to watch out for the next couple of weeks. We're going to go over a detailed breakdown of what are some important catalysts that we need to watch out for. We're also going to be going over the overall market and why we are hitting all-time highs. So we're going to cover all this important information in this video coming up. So as you can see over here, as I'm recording this video, we have the stock market that is hitting all-time highs. So when you look at it right now, SPY is at all-time highs. It hit a 52-week high today, which is 554.61. And this is mainly because we have the big stocks like Apple hitting all-time highs. We have Tesla that is moving massively to the upside. We have Google. When you look at the heat map, we have these big companies that are hitting and moving a lot to the upside, especially Apple hitting all-time highs and Tesla bouncing back. It was pretty massive. As you can see, we have Google up 2.5, Meta 5.17%. And we also have consumers like Costco, Walmart, and it usually used to be the semiconductor stocks that were leading the way, like Nvda. But when you look at Nvda and the semiconductor ETF, as you can see, it's having a slight pullback. And when you look at Nvda too, it is not doing that much. And also when you look at Taiwan Semiconductor, it is performing good, but it's having a slight, like a flat day. Basically, it's up 0.69% compared to when you look at Apple, which is up like close to 2%, and Tesla, which is on a massive tear to the upside. So definitely there has been a lot of money moving into this big S&P 500 companies like Apple and Tesla, this AI stocks. So that is really great to see. That's why we're basically hitting all-time highs, and also their earnings are coming up too. So let's go over and talk about in detail another companies, which is small cap companies that are performing slightly lower compared to these big large cap stocks. When you look at Sofi, for example, Sofi has been flat. It's basically been trending lower and lower as the market was hitting all-time highs. The last few weeks, Sofi has not been participating. It was actually going down several times. We like this company. We talked about this company several times, but unfortunately, it's not really doing very well. And they have their earnings announcements coming out, and we are going to be getting more information about this stock. But unfortunately, is not really behaving as the market is just ripping to the upside. So we have some earnings that is coming up pretty soon, so that is going to be an important thing to watch out for Sofi. Maybe we get a surprise and we could potentially see the trend change. But overall, we've been hitting 52-week lows the past several weeks. We hit a 52-week low last week, 2 weeks ago, which is sitting at $6.20. And unfortunately, we are definitely far away from hitting a 52-week high. Hopefully that will turn out after they announce their earnings. But let's talk about detailed breakdown of what is the important penny stocks to watch out for. That has a catalyst. So an important company that has a catalyst right now that is coming up on July 8th, which is basically in 3 days, is Bcli. So as you can see over here, the company is a penny stock. It is sitting at a very good support area, which is around 25 cents, 27 cents, which is right around over here. Good support area. If you can get a positive move to the upside, it can definitely have a room to bounce back on the support. So it has a pretty good risk reward area when you look at the chart. But let's go over and look at the detailed breakdown of the company. So as you can see over here, the company share outstanding is 79.58 million shares, and it has around 5.08% of the float. Institution ownership, we have insider ownership, which is 10.59%. So there's not a lot of either institution or insiders owning this stock. So basically, it is definitely a company to watch out for because it's semi mid float, and if it can make a move, it's a mid cap. It's only 28.15, small cap actually, and it's actually sitting at a pretty decent support area. It can definitely make a massive move, as you can see, like it was just dropping this day, gap up, gap down, and so depending upon the catalyst that we're going to be getting on July 8th, this can make a move. So let's go over and look at exactly what is the catalyst for this company. So they are going to be providing their phase 3 data. So the FDA, they have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and eventually their FDA, they approve it, their drug they're trying to pass, and they're going to be talking about on July 8th their phase 3 data. So that is going to be an important thing, and the company is going to be announcing their press release, going over exactly what their results are for that. But when you also go over and look at their website, as you can see over here, we have a Brainstorm Cell Therapeutic, Discover, Innovate, Deliver. Brainstorm is a leader in developing innovative autogene cellular therapies for highly deliberating neurodegenerative disease. So that's basically what they're working on, and eventually they're going to be releasing their press release coming up. Depending upon if it's a positive or negative, the stock can definitely have a reaction. And also another stock to watch out for, of course, it's performing very, very well today, is going to be Arqt. Arqt. This is also a company to watch out for. They have the FDA result announcing tomorrow, the FDA data being presented tomorrow. So that is going to be a really important thing to watch out for. So it's actually today. It's actually going to be July 7. So in 2 days. So definitely going to be watching out for this. Stock is definitely moving pretty well. It's up 9.01% to the upside. It definitely can make a move. As you can see, it's kind of made a transition from trending to the downside to slowly going to the upside. As you can see, it was trading a few months ago at $1.76. As you can see, it went all the way to $13. So these are the stocks that can definitely make a move, especially these biotech stocks. If there's a positive catalyst that's coming up pretty soon, definitely keep them in your watch list. So this is a company, RQ2. It's not a penny stock. It's basically like a mid-cap stock, like small cap to mid-cap stock, as you can see based on the market cap. So it's definitely a stock to watch out for. It's actually 1.21 billion market cap, so it's pretty decent. And the share outstanding for this company is 115 million shares. And we can definitely play it if you want to, trade it just for swing trading. You can risk off of the 7 or even like $8 area for a potential move to go to 13. So it's kind of like a decent risk reward area. But the date to watch out for is going to be July 7, 2024. So basically keep an eye on it for Arqt and Bcli, which is companies that have FDA related news coming out pretty soon. And also keep an eye on for Sofi stock that has their earnings coming up pretty soon. The stock is definitely seems like it bottomed out, but you never know with Sofi. It can definitely make new 52-week lows depending upon what they have to say, but their earnings is coming up. And also just keep watching all these big tech stocks like Apple hitting all-time highs, Tesla just massive breakout. This company is definitely seeing a lot of volume increases the last few days. As you can see over here, a lot of people are definitely coming in and buying Tesla stock. So just keep an eye on the Tesla, Apple stock, because depending upon how they do is how the market is going to go. As you can see, the market is just hitting all-time highs, and those companies are definitely helping it. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about these stocks? Are you invested in any of these stocks like Tesla or Apple? They're hitting all-time highs. Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your opinion. Also, make sure if you have any questions, drop in the comments section below. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. But I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.